Ladies and gentlemen, this year's IAA Mobility impressively demonstrates that the desire for individual mobility has never been stronger. And today, more than ever, global success depends on the ability to master new technologies and to anticipate what customers around the world want. It also takes courage to make bold leaps, a pioneering spirit to explore new paths, confidence in your own abilities, and resilience to stay the course even if in the face of headwinds. And on top, it requires a team of nearly 160,000 employees who are passionate about shaping the future of mobility. Then, evolution becomes revolution. Vision becomes reality. You will remember that back in 2021, I promised we would lead BMW into a new era with the Neue Klasse. Today we stand here and we deliver on that very promise. Early this decade, we recognized an opportunity, a chance to set new benchmarks across all relevant technologies in the car. It was an opportunity that only comes once in a lifetime, the perfect BMW moment. The Neue Klasse is much more than just a new vehicle. It marks a completely new model generation, a massive leap that redefines the entire brand. And the new BMW iX3 will be followed by more than 40 new or updated models from BMW by 2027. And each will have the Neue Klasse genes, regardless of the drivetrain. More than any other project, the Neue Klasse represents the innovative spirit of all of our associates across all our brands. And on behalf of the entire company, it is my great honor to unveil the new BMW iX3. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been with the BMW Group for 34 years, and I've witnessed many world premieres and bold technological innovations. But a vehicle like this, it's something you experience only once. And all of us at the BMW Group have been working tirelessly toward this very moment. With the Neue Klasse, we've created an unprecedented interplay of multiple groundbreaking technologies. And now we are taking sheer driving pleasure to a whole new level. In short, the Neue Klasse is more BMW than ever. And the next highlight is already waiting in the wings. Early next year, we will unveil the second model of the Neue Klasse, a sporty sedan at the very core of the brand, the new all-electric BMW i3. Ladies and gentlemen, from the drivetrain to battery technology and driving dynamics, from the operating system to the digital user experience, we've elevated every single aspect to the next level for the Neue Klasse. And with this new design language, we've even skipped a whole generation. And there's no better to explain how our customers will experience this with all their senses than Adrian van Hooydonk.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the big moment has finally come. As Oliver mentioned, with the Neue Klasse, we are taking very big steps in technology. And these bigger steps in technology can only become meaningful hand in hand with big steps in design. The BMW iX3 has a much bigger range, helped by a very clean shape with excellent aerodynamics. In the interior, you will find a new display concept that allowed us to clean up the dashboard and completely redefine the driving experience. But let's look at the exterior design first. We have typical solid BMW SAV proportions with a lot of presence and emphasis on all four wheels. The surfaces are very clean with only a few precise lines. The front end shows a new interpretation of the BMW typical front-end face in which we replace chrome with light. And vertically oriented kidneys match the more upright overall appearance of our SUV. And this new light signature is part of the daytime running light, and it will make the new BMW iX3 very recognizable by day and by night. Overall, the car has a very solid stance and strong shoulders. And in the rear, again, a new light signature that emphasizes the width of the car. Now, in the interior, you will find that the driving experience is and will remain our focus, putting the driver at ease and in control. The key element to this is our all-new BMW Panoramic Vision display, which projects in the bottom of the windscreen and builds upon our years of experience with head-up displays. This new display, however, is visible for all passengers on board and will allow you to quickly check the information you want and need while keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road ahead. Together with our free-cut central display and iconic steering wheel, these elements are the cornerstones of our new panoramic iDrive system, a whole new driving experience that you will find in all our future BMW models from now on. And this new user experience already starts when you approach the car and continues as you get in and set the car up to your personal preferences. With My Modes, you can do that very easily and select a perfectly curated driving experience, from screen content or colors to light and sound, and even the driving characteristics. So, our new operating system X focuses on the best driving experience, but will allow you a much higher level of personalization, making your BMW truly yours. Overall, the digital aspects of our cars will make them more intelligent and easier to use. And at the same time, this has allowed us to design much cleaner and warmer interiors, creating very personal living environments on four wheels. The interior trim that you see here, digital white, is spacious and modern. So, starting with the BMW iX3, we are introducing a new form language that will lead to a new look and feel for the entire BMW brand. Our designs will be very clean and at the same time very strong in character. But above all, these new BMWs will be more BMW than ever before. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Adrian. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now move on to Mini, which celebrated its very own game-changing moment already last year with the introduction of a completely new product range. The new Mini family, covering the most desirable and broad product portfolio in the brand's history, now features 4 very distinct models: Convertible, Cooper, Aceman, and the Countryman. And regarding the drivetrain, Mini customers, of course, have the choice between an all-electric or a highly efficient combustion engine. Clever use of space, wheels at the corner, go-kart feeling, combined with true Britishness and maximum individuality. That's how Mini became the world's most successful premium small car brand. Driving a Mini has always been a confident personal statement. In this way, Mini has inspired numerous celebrities and designers throughout its 66 years long history. And today, we're writing the next exciting chapter in this tradition, partnering with a brand that stands for customization and thinking out of the box like few others. I'm talking about Deus Ex Machina. The outcome of this inspiring and exceptional partnership are 2 stunning John Cooper Works models. Fraternal twins with very different styles, yet united by a shared enthusiasm. And I brought one of them with me today. So let's have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, the Skeg, a distinctive and contemporary reinterpretation of Mini's racing history. Pure, bold, innovative. This artwork on 4 wheels is based on the Mini John Cooper Works Electric. Inspired by the world of surfing, it offers pure electric freedom to enjoy the Mini go-kart feeling on coastal roads. His twin, the Machina, is forged on the racetrack. Lean, fast, and powered by a combustion engine, it embodies raw racing technology and authentic functionality. And together they stand for individual lifestyle and maximum driving excitement, regardless of the respective drivetrain. Similar to what our customers can experience with the new Mini family, which is winning over new and old customers worldwide. And that's especially true for our fully electric models. Today, already 1 in 3 Minis has an electric heart, and the trend continues to rise. Ladies and gentlemen, collaborations like the one with Deus Ex Machina are just one example for unique customization, the way only Mini can do. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to something completely different.
Something new is coming. A car like no other. A bike like no other. A beach buggy like no other. No. Gear off, game on. turn it into whatever. It is a master of self-balancing, standing on its own feet. Vision CE, coming soon. Or later. Maybe.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure for me to present the BMW Motorrad Vision CE. It offers the most spectacular insight into our vision of future urban e-mobility that we have ever developed. For me, the Vision CE is a clear proof to our ambition to shape the future of emission-free mobility with courage and a pioneering spirit. Highly innovative single-track urban mobility has been strongly anchored in the history of BMW Motorrad for decades. We revolutionized urban mobility already 25 years ago with the unique BMW C1. In 2014, we were the first manufacturer to combine outstanding design with an e-drive in the BMW C Evolution. And in 2022, we launched the CE04, a design and technology masterpiece of emission-free mobility, which remains the global market leader in its segment to this day. At BMW Motorrad, the development of single-track e-mobility clearly stands for visionary concepts, innovation leadership, and groundbreaking design. With the Vision CE's special self-balancing system, we are looking into the future and setting again new standards. Urban riding fun on two wheels without having to wear a helmet or motorcycle clothing, thanks to its unique structural bracket design. The Vision CE, one like no other, exciting and inspiring, just like BMW Motorrad.
Ladies and gentlemen, at the BMW Group, we are constantly reshaping mobility, just as we have for the nearly last 110 years. Our customers' individual needs, wishes, and yes, their dreams are always at the heart of all of our brands. All of our customers benefit from our innovative approaches and the latest technologies. And at the same time, we are steering the company on a long-term path that is in line with the Paris Agreement. This is the spirit that drives us at the BMW Group. Thank you all.
Sve što vozi raboti podobro su liqui moly. Motorni masla i aditivi proizvedeni u Germanija.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. кога италијанскиот производител на суперспортски автомобили Lamborghini ќе организира настан на кој ќе биде презентиран сосема нов автомобил, веќе можете да претпоставите што ве очекува. Блескав италијански гламур, најнови модни парчиња ке стилски натокмените домаќини и VIP гости, одлично јадење и пиење и супер атрактивни спортски автомобили. Токму таков, без никакви изненадувања, беше и настанот на Lamborghini, организиран во приватниот лаунж Монтереј за време на неделата на автомобили во Монтереј во Соединетите Американски држави. На ова место, кое е исклучително значајно за брендот од Сант'Агата Болонјезе, бидејќи Америка е најголемиот пазар во светот за автомобилите со магичното бикче на предната хауба, беше представен новиот суперспортски автомобил Феномено. Автомобил во крајно лимитирана серија од само 29 примероци, во печатлива жолта Джало Криус боја на надворешноста, кој на јавности беше представен еден ден претходно во Куел, собирот на моторспортски ентузијасти. Овој автомобил, како што истакна Штефан Винкелман, председателот и генерален директор на Lamborghini, ги промовира најнапредните технички решенија, со што ги бутка границите на перформансите и дизајнот, без при тоа да заборави да ги истакне вредностите и постигнувањата кои се фундаментален дел од ДНК структурата на Lamborghini. Новиот Феномено испорачува вкупна моќност од 1065 конски сили со рекордни 823 конски сили од природно аспирираниот V12 мотор и 242 конски сили од дополнителни 3 електрични мотори. Со оваа супермоќ, Феномено од 0 до 100 км на час забрзува за само 2,4 секунди, а постигнува максимална брзина од 350 км на час. На премиерата посетителите можеа да ја видат и целата палета на Lamborghini со моделите Revuelto, Huracan и Temerario. Во продолжение да погледнеме како изгледаше свеченото представување на новиот феноменален Lamborghini Феномено.
Buongiorno ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Lamborghini. You know, it's always a pleasure to be at Monterey Car Week, and especially because the US for us is the most important market, and within the US, California is the market number one. And I have to tell you that this year, the year 2025, for me especially is a very important year because I first started to work in Lamborghini 20 years ago. And together with the team, we worked hard to bring the company where it is today. Now we moved from 2 to 3 models. We're working on the number 4. We have developed the derivate strategy. We have 5 times more employees than it was in 2005. We are delivering 7 times more cars than 20 years ago. And most importantly, the brand value and the company value increased dramatically. And this is helping us for sure to face future challenges better than we have ever done in the past. And today we are here to celebrate a world premiere of a fuel-off. Now we started with a fuel-off almost 20 years ago when we first launched the Reventon and the Sesto Elemento, the Veneno, the Centenario, Sian, and in 2021 we presented here one fuel-off which was the Lamborghini Countach. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask Ruben Moore, our Chief Technical Officer, and Mitja Borgert, our design director, to join me on stage and to unveil this wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Lamborghini Fenomeno. Fenomeno is, like in the best Lamborghini tradition, the name of a fighting bull. No, this bull fought in the arena in Mexico in 2002, and it was pardoned because it was a very brave bull and it was a very noble bull, so something really exceptional. And when we speak about Lamborghini, it's about design, it's about performance, and it's about innovation. And ladies and gentlemen, when we speak about design for Lamborghini always has to be very different, but also recognizable. And there are two items which are especially known to be recognizable. One is the stance line, which is starting from the front until the rear of the car. And then if you look at the car from the front, you have this square greenhouse, which is unique in the super sports car business. And then, for us, function follows form. So this is something which is really important for Lamborghini, not the other way around. And like Aristotle said in the past, no, form is substance itself. The chassis and the body is entirely made out of carbon fiber, which is a very light and stiff material. And this is something which is helping to reduce, or to improve a lot the handling behavior of the car. And then when we come to the heart of the car, the engine, it's the most powerful engine we've ever had. It's a V12 naturally aspirated engine with 3 electric motors and has a power output of 1,008 euros. And at the end of the day, this is helping to jumpstart this car from 0 to 62 in just 2.4 seconds. The top speed is over 270 miles per hour. And, ladies and gentlemen, the phenomenon, as I said at the beginning, is just a few off. So we're going to produce this car only 29 times. And guess what? All these cars are being sold out. And I know that amongst you there are some of the customers which bought the car. And this is very positive. So thank you very much for this. And thank you all for being here today. And Forza Lamborghini.